Right, so today we're going to be looking at a Ferguson TVO 1953 we got for Christmas 2 years ago, and it's done a bit of work and two-wheel drive and 4-cylinder Perkins engine, and big, that's the, and then behind here, these were the first tractor to have 3-point linkage after the T20. And look, you have 1, 2, 3, and we have the top link. That's the top link there, and to that there. Then you have your, that's a 540 PTO shaft. And then there are the orange rims. This tractor isn't sprayed yet. And over here we have the left arm, or the linkage lever. And we have the side brakes, draft control. And that's where you dip your linkage for oil. And then you have the seat. It's not air sprung. This tractor has no power steering. You have the hand throttle, no foot throttle, and then if you get on here, and then so you have the steering wheel, the hand throttle, and then you push down the clutch. You have first, then you have second, then you have third, then you have fourth. And my granda said that only a couple of these tractors only actually had an exhaust up the front, up along there. And then, so the exhaust, on the older ones, the exhaust came down underneath the clutch and up and behind where the linkage are. Behind, and then came up, but on there. Then they decided that was very dangerous. Then they made it up there. And then on the front of the tractor, we have, this is just the front of the radiator. Then you have, there's like a wee, where the starting handle went. There's no starting handle on this one. And then you put up, you turn them wee keys, that's the choke. There's the key. And if you lift the bonnet, you have the battery. Then you have the exhaust. Then you have the petrol. You have the petrol cap there. Then you have the TVO cap. I think the tank on this tractor is a split there. And then you have the wee glass bowl is round here. Wee glass bowl is there. So then when you're ploughing a field, and then when the tractor's still in petrol, when the tractor heats up, you just get off, and then you, so and then the glass bowl here, you might not be able to see it, you turn the TVO, then you turn right back to petrol. And that's our Ferguson TVO.